Uh-oh. Gotta put a cabin filter in.
A cabin filter?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Why? Why, oh my god? All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we are obviously in the G80. Those of you that haven't seen my last video, I just bought this G80 M3 competition, and this is now my second car alongside my ZL1. So don't worry guys, I did not get rid of the ZL1. So like I said, I recently just bought this car, and one thing about this car that I was unaware of is that it smells like cigars and cigarettes. It is not a pleasant smell, to say the least. It's really not. So today, what we are going to be doing to help get rid of the smell in the car is to install a new cabin air filter in the car. This should help get rid of the smell, and then also, plus this, I'm gonna get it cleaned on the interior yet again and do that whole smell situation thingy that those detailers do. But today, in today's video, we are going to be installing this. So I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. Right now, we're gonna go pull the car into the shop and do all that. And here is the ZL1. It is not gone. All right, guys, we are in the shop. So let's get this started. All right, so the location for the air filter is gonna be under your glove box, under this portion. And it looks like, let me show you guys what you gotta do here. There are these that you have to turn to get this plastic piece out. All right, so first things first, we are gonna take out the trim piece that is under here, and then you just twist them. I'm using a flathead, and then I'll show you that. I need a flashlight. Oh, that was easy. All right, and then once you do those, you should be able to pull this out. So the only thing keeping this attached is this clip right here for the, what do you call it, ambient lighting. So we're gonna undo that and then take this piece out. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see from there, but we have this that we need to get out. And then once you take out this clip, you should be able to take all this trim out. Ow. Oh. All right, now that you got that clip out, all you do is just like really push down and it'll release it. And then you can get to the cabin air filter, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. All right, so now I'm giving you guys a visual of where the air filter is. So once you take off that plastic piece, this curved black piece right here is actually where the filter is. So what we're gonna do now is take this plastic piece off, and then we'll be able to pull out the filter. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. And it looks like the food truck just arrived, so we're gonna go do a little snack break. What? Crab salad wrap attack.
Yes, look at that.
Oh!
Hot dogs.
Is that what Dad's eating? That's what you're eating? You're eating it? Dad!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, and he's feeding it to the cat.
With the hat, look.
We got cowboys over here.
Mike!
How's it taste?
Really good.
All right. There's a little hectic over there, but back to business. Here's what we got going on right now. So like I showed you guys in the last clip, we're gonna take that out and pull out the filter. And my phone just fell on the ground, so looks fine though. Guys, I drop this thing 24 times a day. All right, guys. I need to find a flashlight before I can continue doing. We'll just use this one. Secured. All right, so as you guys can see, this is what we're gonna be taking out. And we're gonna be taking out those screws right there. All right, so like I showed you guys, the screws in that piece where the filter is, you need a T20. So we're gonna use handy dandy, and then Okay, that's tightening. We definitely don't want to tighten. Okay. Is there something else holding it? Oh. Guys, so now that you got your screws out, this is what we're looking like. You should be able to pull this black piece off and then remove the filter. Ew. I don't know if you guys a second ago, but it was literally just a normal rainy day, and all of a sudden it's pouring and thunder and like crazy right now. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna finish this. So I'll move this plastic piece out of the way and shove this puppy back in there. All right. Oh, perfect. All right, I did do it right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like this clip goes over there. Okay, and put these clips on the side back into place. Bam. Okay, that was easy. All right, now, whoa, I just touched that. Now all we gotta do is put these screws back in and we're good to go. Just need one more screw. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So now we have the black piece back on. Now we're gonna put the trim piece back in. I'm gonna put this clip back in here. And then once you hear it click, you're good to go. So now that's back in. And now we're gonna put this back in here. If I can see what I'm doing. Okay, one done. Bam, all done. All right guys, well I guess that's a wrap for today's video. I'm sorry if the filming was off. I tried to like film as thoroughly and as best as I could, but obviously like the space under there was just really tight and hard to film everything, and the lighting was bad and it was all dark. But anyways, got that done. Hopefully that helps with the smell in the car. I still need to get it cleaned in here and bombed or whatever you call it. So we will see how that goes, but pretty easy installation overall. So there's that, and then it started raining. It was so random. It's like it just started pouring rain. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining now. I was planning on doing pictures today, but it looks like that's not happening. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different switching from all ZL1 content to now including the M3 content, but I am super excited for this journey, and stay tuned for the next mods to come. I promise it's not going to be as boring as a cabin air filter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.